What if you could take a $5 gallon of milk and magically transform it into $50 of pure profit? Welcome to one of the oldest, most lucrative culinary arts in the world. While massive corporations mass-produce cheap, tasteless cheese, a new wave of smart entrepreneurs is quietly making a fortune crafting high-end artisanal cheese right from their home kitchens. Today, I am going to show you how to turn basic milk into a luxury gourmet product and exactly how you can build a highly profitable micro-dairy business for the premium market. Let's get into it. Let's break down the math because the return on investment here is incredible. A standard gallon of high-quality local milk might cost you around $5. But when you transform that milk into 1 pound of aged, handcrafted artisanal cheese, you can easily sell it to luxury buyers for $30 to $50 per pound. High-end restaurants, boutique wineries, and local gourmet markets are absolutely desperate for authentic, locally crafted cheese. So, where do you start? Your best strategy is to start with soft, fresh cheeses like ricotta, feta, or a premium herbed goat cheese. These take only 1 to 3 days to make and can be sold immediately for a fast profit. Once your cash flow is steady, you can start making semi-hard cheeses like Gouda or Camembert. These take a few weeks to age, but they command massive premium prices and build serious prestige for your brand.
Now, do you need a $1 million factory to do this? Absolutely not. All you really need is a large stainless steel pot, a precise digital thermometer, basic cultures, and rennet. You can simply buy a cheap used mini fridge and add a temperature controller to keep it at exactly 55 degrees with high humidity. The final step is where you secure those luxury prices: packaging and branding. Wrap your cheese in professional, breathable cheese paper, tie it with natural, rustic twine, and use a minimalist, elegant label. Words like small batch, handcrafted, and grass-fed instantly justify a premium price tag. Making artisanal cheese is a beautiful blend of science, art, and high-profit business. It requires patience, but the financial rewards are massive. Which type of cheese would you want to make first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video valuable and want to discover more next-level business models, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Business Ideas English. See you in the next video.